Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Anis Fakira and my other group members are Anati Wadina, Adlina Ilya and Siti Shafika. We are from Group 1. On 2nd June, we were given a mini project involved water quality assessment which we need to create a filtration system for synthetic water sample. The purpose of this project are to measure the effectiveness of water purification system that we have created and to analyze the water quality in terms of physical characteristic. So firstly, we are going to present how we're going to prepare our synthetic water sample. So to prepare a synthetic water sample, we have decided to use a mixture that consists of 1.5 liter tap water, 5 pieces of pandan leaf and a wood husk. For wood husk, it will contribute to suspended solid and turbidity, while pandan leaf contributed to colorness, suspended solid and turbidity. But firstly, we need to blend the pandan leaf by using a blender.
First, carefully transfer the pandan leaf that have been cut into the blender and add some water. Start to blend until it is well mixed to become suspended solid.
Now we are done preparing our water sample. After this water sample will be divided into 3 parts where for our filtration system.
Now we are going to see the materials for filtration 1. Firstly, gravel. Second, sand. Third, wood husk. And lastly, cotton pad. Next, materials for filtration 2. First, gravel. Second, sand. Third, coconut fiber. And lastly, cotton pad. And lastly, materials for filtration system 3. First, gravel. Second, sand. Third, charcoal. And lastly, cotton pad.
Okay, next we proceed with the water purification system. We have 3 different systems, which is the first system we are using wood husk. Okay, the second system we are using coconut fiber. And the last one we are using charcoal.
So this is an illustration of our design for filtration system.
Okay, we proceed for the first system. The first layer, we put in the cotton pad for half centimeter. The second layer, we put in the sand for 4 centimeter. Okay, for the third layer, we use the different material which is wood husk for 2.5 centimeter. For the last layer, we use granite for 5 centimeter. the layer for system 1 for water purification.
So this is the layer for filtration system 1.
Next, we proceed with second filter. We change the material from wood husk to coconut fiber. First layer is 0.5 cm of cotton pad. Then we put sand for 4 cm. Then we put 2.5 cm of coconut fiber. And lastly, we put 5 cm of granite. That for filter.
This is the layer for filtration system 2.
Next, we move to the third filtration, which is we change the material to charcoal. Okay, so for the first layer, is a cotton pad for 0.5 cm. Next is we put sand for 4 cm. Next, we put charcoal for 2.5 cm. And lastly, for the fourth layer is gravel for 5 cm.
So this is the layer of filtration system 3.
Okay, we are done for all 3 water purification system.
Firstly, we are going to test the temperature of the synthetic water before being filtered.
Okay, next we want to test the water sample by using filter 1. We pour 500 ml of water sample to the filter 1.
Leave the water to passing through the filter for about 5 minutes.
Okay, after 5 minutes filtration, we can see that the water sample reduced at 400 ml. And from the observation, we can see that the color also changed. There is an obvious of change of color. Okay, after that, in terms of the suspended material, we can see that it is well removed and retained on the filter. Okay, we also test the temperature of the water sample, which is 28.1 27.8 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to test water sample for second filter.
Leave the water to passing through the filter for about 5 minutes.
After the filtration, we can see that the volume of water is 450 and the color is obviously changed. For the suspended solid, it is totally removed on the filter, and the temperature of water is 27.9.
Next, we are going to test the water sample for filter 3.
Leave the water to passing through the filter for about 5 minutes.
Okay, after 5 minutes of filtrations, the volume of the water that passing through the filtration is 410 milliliter. And you can see that there is obvious change in the colors, and the suspended, in terms of suspended solid, it is well removed and the suspended solid is retained on the filtration. Then we're going to test for the temperature. The temperature is 27.9 degrees Celsius.
Next, we proceed to the analysis. We have 4 parameters which are turbidity, suspended solid, color and temperature. Firstly, the turbidity. The highest turbidity is from water sample 2, while the lowest is from water sample 3. For the suspended solid, the highest removal of suspended solid is water sample from filter 2, while the lowest removal is from filter 3. For the color, all of the samples shows obvious changes, which is from green to yellowish, but the filter 3 has more clearer color compared to the others.
Last but not least, the temperature for filter 1 increased from 27.1 to 27.8 degrees Celsius, while the temperature for filter 2 and 3 increased from 27.1 to 27.9 degrees Celsius.